All different, all the same. A fuzzy signal. Those nervous bunny ears don't make the picture clear. That rattle burns your lungs. Because in this corner, going in at, standing at a height of, hailing from, you can hardly think. The crash cascades down into your empty stomach as the sky is falling, leaving bare feet dangling in the fog over the sunken docks. A golden thread falls out of the fabric, losing itself under the carpet. The needle stained, scratching the itch on our record, till the scab is leaking bloody with outrage. The wound is patched with plastic cups instead of fountain soda. Absence is the opposite of warmth. This blizzard has plenty of used presents to give, but it only cares about tugging your ears. Like a clever beast, whispering to make dinner tender, begging to be let in. The divide is up in the cheap seats, too far away to place a palm on the beating chest. Judgment boils it down like gravy, bitter and salty, hoping for compliments and rewards while men riding horses, holding nooses, or playing music parade to your name. Is it trespassing? Is it optional?